Hello legends and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at USDT dominance, Bitcoin, bit more of a deep dive. But firstly, a post from at the Real Plan C. Beautifully illustrated here. If I just zoom in a bit, this is showing the weekly RSI and we can see the last time this got to these sorts of levels. Even here in the middle, right near the bottom of the bear market, it served as very good reversal points. And he seems to have called it to the T. So when we look at historical charts like this, as we say, history doesn't repeat, but it often rhymes. And currently, it is looking very good. If we go on to Bitcoin now, most of you know that had seen my previous videos, my base case, when we were sort of hovering and consolidating around here, I was expecting us to take out this swing low before we saw a move higher, or potentially a huge capitulation move down to here before then getting up to that 100k mark. But the market seems to have just said, piss off, James, we do not give a shit what you think. And it's just been rallying. I mean, if we just drop down to the daily, I think it's been 5 or 6 days in the green now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're coming into day 6 now. So if that closes green, 6 green days on the bounce. Points to note though, we are around this swing high here. We've pretty much stopped dead on the nose there, haven't we, at 84k. So I'm not completely writing off these scenarios just yet. But what is most likely for me, this is when I'll start getting really excited, is if we can crack this level here. If we can, let's get rid of these because it's not even nice to look at the potential of things going down, is it? But that is the that is the game we're in. If eventually this is going to be a seriously key area, really. I mean, we've got these lows here as well, haven't we? But first things first, if we can clear these lows, this swing low, the bottom of this wick, bottom of these wicks, last low pre-break there, if we can clear this region, obviously that's at 100k then. I think when we can get back above 100k, if we can, I'm sure we can, once we've cleared that, as I say, that would be so bullish. Like, it will make this just seem like another day in crypto. If we can clear this though, oh, that would be phenomenal. USDT dominance, another confirmatory chart. It is falling as we'd like to see. I am expecting when we get to this trend line, wherever this falls on the chart, I mean, we've got these highs here, haven't we? This resistance here, this bit of resistance here, that wick there before it went on that rally. So pretty much my target at the moment for USDT dominance, first target is around that 5.2% region. It looks like it's going there. Clearly we're sticking at this swing low here, aren't we? So I would not be surprised to see a little pullback in the market over the coming days, bearing in mind we have just had 6 days of green. So it's just a natural order of business. But for now, it's just been so nice to see. We've been itching for it for ages. And we'll finish off with my favourite bag of SUI. Can I just say it normally? SUI. Just sounds weird saying SUI. I like to get a bit animated with it. But for now, I mean, off the lows, it is up around 47%. Or is it 42%? Let's get me moved. Off the low, off that trend line. Oh, 46. It rallied. I mean, you see, granted, these smaller caps or newer projects, we do suffer on the way down. There is increased volatility to the downside. But when you get it right with your picks, the upside is magnified tenfold. And I do think once we can crack this level here, which is at 197, $2. So yeah, right. Key psychological area. We know whole numbers now. It ties in nicely with this swing low here and this bit of consolidation here as well. But I think once we can clear that, it's pretty much fresh air up to these lows here. And that is at $3.08. So notice by another whole number. But I think once we can crack that, wouldn't be surprised. Keep in mind the performance we've just had. This is a 3-day chart, by the way, so I would not be surprised if we come to find a bit of support at these highs here, or even these highs down here. But once we can get above here, as I say, I'll be looking to come to these lows here around the $3 mark. That is it for today. Short and sharp, very bullish. Oh, it's just been so great to see. This is what we're after, isn't it? Valhalla. Hope you got something out of this video. If you've got any questions, please leave a comment. And in the meantime, trade safe, keep the faith, stay bullish. Cheers.